Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use Elevate Pay. So let's get started. Once your Elevate Pay account is created and verified, using it is actually very simple. When you log into the app, you'll land on the home screen where you can see your balance and main options. Elevate Pay mainly allows you to receive international payments, send money, and withdraw funds to your local bank account. First, to receive money, you can share your Elevate Pay account details with your client or connect it to freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Once the payment is sent, it will appear in your Elevate account balance, usually in USD. Next, if you want to withdraw your money, simply go to the Transfer or Withdraw section, enter your local bank account details, and convert your balance into your local currency. Elevate Pay allows you to cash out your funds directly to your bank account or supported wallets. You can also send money internationally using Elevate Pay by entering the recipient's details and confirming the transaction. The platform supports secure transfers with features like two-factor authentication and real-time notifications to keep your account safe. Additionally, you can manage your account easily by checking transaction history, enabling biometric login, and controlling your security settings. Elevate Pay also provides currency conversion options so you can exchange your funds when needed. Just make sure you always keep your account secure, use a strong password, and verify all transaction details before sending or withdrawing money. Once everything is set up, you can smoothly use Elevate Pay for freelancing payments and international transactions. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.